one's in Talmadge, and we use that building for equipment building for our hay business, put our tractors, side-by-sides, some other odds and ends in that building. The other building we have is in Marblehead, and we use that for Forest RV Park. It's a pavilion. We use that for bands, also for dinner and maybe some parties. I actually looked on the internet and I looked for someone in local, and I seen Olympia was from Pennsylvania. So we decided to deal with them. Gave them a call, they responded right back to me, told them what I wanted, did a little sketch. They got it, sent it to me, gave me a quote on it, and everything was fine on it. Same thing a few years ago. We needed a building. We had Lake Erie for the pavilion, and I contacted Olympia also, and I did the same thing, and it was a good experience. So we went ahead, got concrete in, put the seal up. Everything was actually worked out pretty good. None of the big holes had to be drilled. Everything was pre-drilled, lined right up. The panels, they're all self-drilling screws, and everything went together with no problems. Olympia, they came up with the opening. They gave us everything to trim out the opening, everything was fine. And then I had a garage door company come in and do the garage doors for us. Kind of a learning curve, when you put it up, what you need. So we kind of had a learning curve. So the second one we put up, learned a little bit from the first one. It went up a little bit easier. Probably say you can probably get them up in a week. Just depends how big the building is, but it helps with 4 guys. I think they both withstood the wind and snow, no problem at all, no leaks. Up here at Lake Erie, it's non-insulated. We don't need to insulate it in here, but we get a lot of wind and a lot of snow, and it held up very well. Because anything up here, the wind load up here is just bad. Down south in Ravenna, we get snow, not as much wind, but insulation-wise, leak-wise, is very good. I gotta tell you, it was very good. The metal is strong. The gauging on the siding is heavy. The ribbing and everything and the metal they use, I think it's top notch. It's very strong.